What is this on my shoe?
My poop.
That's right, and it's disgusting. I am sick of you using the front yard as your bathroom. It's time you learn to use the toilet like everyone else.
I'm gonna sneeze. I'm gonna sneeze. I'm gonna sneeze. I'm gonna sneeze. Ah! All right, you know what? I know something that'll help you sleep. Wait here.
Well, I hope so, because I've tried everything. Counting sheep, thinking sleepy thoughts. I even hired the Sandman. Sand and sand and sand and sand and sand and sand and good night!
Peter, why are there so many bottles of milk in the refrigerator?
Oh, thanks for reminding me. Everyone, some of the milk in the fridge is not milk, it's horse sperm. I'm a horse breeder now.